walking in this heat that suffocates like my heart. Then suddenly, raindrops fall, drip, drop, slowly pouring rain. I stop for a moment, alone in silence, memories coming near. One drop, two drops, soaking my skin. Raindrops keep falling more and more in my chest, hidden words unsaid, questions I wanted to ask so bad. They come to me as teardrops. Soaking in this rain, between pouring raindrops, my tears fall with them, lingering foolish feelings I can't let go. Between the raindrops, I thought I erased these memories, but they pour down like rain, silent and still to me, like a longing that embraces me. Raindrops fall and embrace my body. Maybe the rain knows my heart, pouring down to cool my eyes, burning hotter than the heat. They fall harder and harder to hide my tears. So many raindrops become a heavy storm. The sky reads my emotions. Raindrops turn into a downpour to hide my tears, cooling down this burning heat and the fire, hotter than the heat inside my body. At summer's end, the storm washes away